Chair workout for sculpting six-pack abs at home. Chair workouts allow you to engage your core muscles while seated, making it easier for you. With these chair workouts routine, you can maximize your time and efficiency. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to a chair workout routine specifically designed to target and tone your core muscles, helping you achieve those coveted six-pack abs. Let's kick things off with the first exercise. Chair air bike. Sit on the edge of a chair, lean forward slightly, and bring your opposite elbow towards your knee to engage your obliques. Repeat the move with other leg. Chair out foot taps. Sit on a chair, put your hands back to the head, then lift your opposite leg in front of you and tap your feet with your hand, focusing on engaging your core and maintaining a steady rhythm. This exercise targets the lower abs and helps improve coordination. Chair alt knee raise. Sit on the chair and lift one knee towards your chest while keeping the other foot on the ground. Alternate between legs, engaging your core to stabilize your body throughout the movement. Chair crisscross. Sit on the chair, lean back slightly, hold your chair with hands, lift your legs and give scissor motion, focusing on exhaling as you twist to engage your obliques. Chair cycling. Sit on the chair and mimic a cycling motion with your legs, focusing on engaging your core and maintaining a steady pace. This exercise helps improve cardiovascular health and strengthens the lower body. Chair knee+leg raise. Sit on the chair, lean back slightly and both legs towards your chest and bring back on the ground. Then again lift legs and extend in front of you and bring back. Focus on maintaining control and stability. Chair leg raises. Sit on the chair and extend both legs straight out in front of you. Then lift them towards the ceiling, engaging your core to lift your legs as high as possible. Chair open and close. Sit on the chair and open your legs wide, then bring them back together, focusing on engaging your inner thighs and lower abs. Repeat the movement for the desired number of reps. Chair Opens+Knee leg raise. Sit on the chair, open your legs wide, then bring one knee towards your chest while lifting the opposite leg straight out. Alternate between legs, engaging your core and inner thighs. Chair side bends. Sit on the chair and lean to one side, just like side crunch. Repeat on the other side, focusing on engaging your obliques to lift and lower your torso.